Hello friends, today we are going to discuss on second part of module number second, writing a letter of applications for various posts and CV curriculum vitae. We are going to see or discuss about CV, that is biodata or curriculum vitae. CV stands for curriculum vitae, biodata, you can call it resume also, or another word is personal profile, you can call it. So all these words are the near synonyms of curriculum vitae. In America, the word resume is widely used for it. They use CV primarily when they apply for academic or scientific research positions, or when they apply for the fellowship or grants. CV is generally written when you apply for scientific research positions, academic positions, and a fellowship and grants. A resume is a one-page summary of your skills. There is basic difference between curriculum vitae and resume. Resume is a summary of your skills, experience, and education. A brief page or one-page summary of your skills, education, and experience. That is called resume. It is designed to introduce the job seeker to potential employers and hopefully interests them in a follow-up interview. It is always brief and concise. A resume is always brief and concise, and when you apply for the job particularly, you can add this resume to your application letter. For unsolicited application, one should use resume. Unsolicited application. For the unsolicited application, you can use the resume word. A curriculum vitae is a Latin word actually. It is more extensive in length. It might come to 2 or more than 2 pages. It includes your educational background as well as your work experience, your extra honors, your hobbies, and other details. So each and everything that is related to you is there in curriculum vitae. Profile is another word used for the information of an institution, organization, company, or a person. It is actually used for the information of institution, organization, or a company, but it is also used for a person, also person's personal information, and that is called profile. The profile of a person is called a personal profile. It is incomplete without a paragraph. Biodata is similar to it. Both are used for marriage proposals in the USA. Biodata and personal profile both are used basically for the purpose of a marriage in America. Here we use these words for our personal and educational information, and generally this information is attached to the application letter for the job in India, but in America it is used for marriage purpose only. So it is better if you avoid the word biodata for the letter of application. You should use the word CV or resume when you apply for a job. We generally write on the top of the biodata or CV, that curriculum vitae or a resume or biodata. You should use the word curriculum vitae or resume instead of biodata and personal profile. When you are going to apply for seeking the job, how to write a CV is the basic question. CV is a self-introduction to promote your candidature for the post. You are promoting your personal information, self-introduction for candidature of the post. Suppose you are the candidate of applying for the particular post, so you should write a CV, that is self introduction, along with personal and educational information and other details. You should know how to prepare a good CV. CV is attached to the application letter. It is read only after the application letter. It is read only after the application letter. But it is something you should prepare first. Though it is read after the application letter, first your application letter will be read out by the employers, and later on your CV will be read out. But you should prepare your CV first. As a normal practice, people keep their CV written in advance. They then mail a copy of CV along with the application letter. CV must be ready, and that should be in soft copy, so that you can print out immediately, or you can send mail of your CV to the concerned person immediately. So it should be prepared previously. But it should be written specifically in terms of the job requirements. While arranging CV, you should emphasize your strengths according to the advertisement. The basic question you should consider while preparing your CV is what qualifications or experiences or achievements you should highlight for a particular position. What qualification you want to introduce, what your skills you want to introduce, and what is your abilities or particular personal qualifications you should introduce. So you should think over it first of all before writing a CV for a particular job, I say. For example, if you have experience of working as a human relation executive and you want to apply for the position of human resource division, highlight your human resource experience. If you have worked as a human relation executive already and you are going to apply to human resource division, highlight your human resource experience is quite important. The essential factors of CV are personal data, academic achievements, third one is co-curricular activities, fourth one is experiences, and fifth one is references. These are 5 important factors of curriculum vitae. So you have to write down each and everything which come under these 5 factors, 5 important points in curriculum vitae. So this is the brief introduction of curriculum vitae. We will see in detail the curriculum vitae in my next video. Thank you.